Virtual reality and real-time 3D has been around for a long time, but it has never quite made its way into the designer's workflow. Why is that? Well, simply put, it's been too difficult to use. For designers and architects, ideas are tested and reviewed over and over again. Being able to iterate quickly is of crucial importance. If the process of moving your model to VR takes days or even just hours, the benefit of using VR is lost. The good news is that this is all about to change. I've tried a number of real-time solutions, and Enscape is by far the most suited for a design workflow. Enscape lets you explore your design in 3D and VR, literally by the click of a button. Enscape is available for Windows as a plugin for SketchUp, Revit and Rhino. In this video, I'll focus on Enscape for SketchUp. Go to enscape3d.com. Fill out the form and check your email. You'll receive an email with a download link. Download and install the software. When launching SketchUp, Enscape will show up in your toolbar. If you don't see it, just right-click the toolbar and select Enscape and Enscape Capturing. Create your design in SketchUp. To explore the model, click the Start Enscape button. Enscape will take a couple of seconds to convert the model and load the texture maps. Use your mouse and the arrow keys to move around the model. I prefer walk mode for exploring architecture. It maintains a consistent eye height and allows you to walk up stairs and ramps. Walk mode is using collision detection, so you can't walk through walls or windows. To do so, switch to fly mode. Check the on-screen display for additional navigation tips. Enscape has specialized shaders that will improve the look and feel of your model. In Enscape, the shader is triggered by the material name. Let's start by adding a grass shader. Next, I'll add a water shader to the reflection pool. Inside, I'll add a coat to the wooden floor. I'll also tweak a few other materials. Finally, I'll make the lights pop by adding an emissive shader. For a full overview of Enscape shaders, check the support section of Enscape's website. I primarily use Enscape for walkthroughs like this, but there are other ways of exploring and sharing the model. If you have access to a VR headset like the HTC Vive or Oculus Rift, you can launch Enscape in VR mode by clicking the VR headset button. You can also export 360-degree images that you can share online and view in your browser. For mobile VR with Google Cardboard or Gear VR, export using this button. Finally, you can export the model as a standalone executable. This will allow for exploring the model without having Enscape installed. The only requirement is that you have to be running Windows. There's a lot more to learn about Enscape, but I hope this video is enough to get you started. Now bring your model to life and start exploring. Thank you for watching.